everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay, and today we're going to make some simple syrup. We're going to actually make mint simple syrup, and simple syrups are kind of a nice little trick because they're super easy to make and they're super versatile. I usually use them in cocktails, of course, but you can use them in all kinds of different things. So let me show you. It's super duper simple. All you got to do is take equal parts of water, and then I'm using super fine sugar. You could use regular sugar, that would be completely fine. But I find that the super fine, of course, is going to dissolve quicker. And all we're gonna do is the same basic recipe for any kind of infused or flavored simple syrup. You're just going to dissolve the sugar into the water. I mean, it might take a minute. I mean, maybe. That's it. We can use this in cocktails. We could use this in iced tea. We could use this in hot tea. You could soak a pound cake with it. You could do all kinds of stuff. Okie dokie, it looks like we're just about ready. All our little sugar crystals have dissolved. Now, we're just gonna flavor it, okay? So all I'm gonna do is turn off the heat. I'm gonna throw about 15 mint leaves in. Little guy here. And I'm just gonna set it aside off the heat for about 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna show you what kind of cocktail we can make with this. So my mint syrup had been steeping for about half an hour. I strained it. And now we're gonna make a mojito, or kind of a riff on a mojito, okie doke? So let's start with some mint syrup. To that, I'm gonna squeeze a lime and toss it in. I throw in a few little mint leaves just to up the ante on that mint flavor. Now let's give them a quick little muddle. And I'm not gonna shake this, that's why I'm using just a big glass. Okie doke. Now to this, let's go ahead and add some rum. We'll give him a quick stir. I'm gonna fill my rocks glass with some rocks. This is a very big rocks glass, obviously. Okay, now let's go ahead and pour this guy in. You could strain it if you want. I don't think it's necessary. Do that. Let's give him a spritz of club soda. It's super refreshing, probably more refreshing than a regular mojito. A little wedge, and there we go. Let's give it a taste. Tastes like I'm in the islands. Give it a go. It's easy breezy.